So after I make sure this straight 8 2-inch riser is on, and these risers work perfectly with any of your pipes that curl up here and wreck your wraparound taillights. They're about 20 bucks. I got it from some French company somewhere in Canada. Alright, we'll put this on one-handed, I hope. Get on there. Alright, the wheel is on right here. Put the nut on right here. And I'll show you the best way to tighten these down. What it is, this is a 22 millimeter socket. It's always nice to have a 22 millimeter. You have to go down to Sears and like buy one with a 1/2-inch drive like this. It's always nice to have when you're doing tires. What I like to do, see, I'm doing this one-handed. I like to get this wheel nut down just to, you know, where it's pretty tight, but not that tight. Oh shit! Fuck, I forgot. It has a washer on it. I'll have to get a washer, but that's all right. Anyway, I'll give you another tip of the day. When you want to go to tighten this down and your tire's going to move, after we adjust the brakes, what you do is you stand down here with a wrench, okay? You have a buddy of yours up at the handle, the rear brake handle, pulling that handle tight, and that will lock this wheel where it won't move, and you'll be able to tighten it up a lot better. Now I'm going to have to go up and dig through my pile of bullshit parts and see if I can find something before I lose my damn mind. This project has taken me like forever, and I've been making every excuse in the world. Christ. Well, I'll find it just as soon as. I have to. Oh god, the sun's coming out. It's kind of cool. Real late, sun's coming out. I tried to balance the tires. I probably could do it if I had some 1/2-ounce weights. And you can see my my weight deal in here. Okay. I've been working with it, but I'm spending too much time. I need to get this project started. I'm dicking the dog too damn much. That, if you're not American, that means wasting fucking time. And after I get this wheel on, then the front wheel will go on with the new. The front wheel will have a new axle, which was sitting right here. That's a new axle for the front wheel. Right here, and I have new bearings and everything, and then hopefully I can charge the battery and get this thing going. I'm thinking this weekend, but every time I say I can do it this weekend, something gets in my way. I work at a job where I deal with people 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I have my days off, but if someone gets in trouble and they need help, they call Captain DIO, because we got a lot of people working at my business that think it's cool just to take Fridays and Saturdays off when people need help in those days, and it's just irresponsible. You know, it's one thing when you work at a restaurant or some bullshit Walmart job and you take the day off. That's one thing, but when you take the day off and a person absolutely needs your help there, or it's a dire situation, then You can't just say, oh, sorry. Oh well, enough about my whining. Alright, we continue.